Welcome to Author Quest, the best review channel. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Now we go to the second part, and that is the external affairs of Pakistan. And in the external affairs of Pakistan, again we have two subsections. One is the bilateral relationship of Pakistan with neighbors, superpowers, Muslim countries. That is the bilateral relationship of Pakistan. For example, how Pakistan is doing with India, with China, with Iran, with Afghanistan, with USA, with Russia, and all other important countries, Saudi Arabia. So this is the bilateral dimension of current affairs, which is part of the external affairs of Pakistan. Then we have the multilateral part of current affairs. How Pakistan is doing with United Nations, OIC, SARC, ECO, SCO, WTO, and all these international organizations. So you have to see Pakistan on bilateral level, and you have to see Pakistan on multilateral or international level. This means that this is also part of Pakistan affairs, because if you go to Pakistan affairs syllabus, there you see that the relationship of Pakistan with neighbors and the regional changing apparatus, and all these things you also study in Pakistan affairs. And you also see that same questions are there in international relations. IR2 is exactly current affairs in more elaborated form. More elaborated form, if you see the syllabus of IR2, that is exactly what is in current affairs. Or current affairs is IR2. IR1, that is more theoretical, but that theory, for example, how you interpret current affairs with international affairs, then you need international relations theories like new realism, constructivism, and you need new Marxism, you need imperialism, you need a lot of these theories, that how you can interpret current affairs with international relations. And when you interpret or you write on international relations, then you have to apply the theories of international relations on current affairs. For example, Pakistan and India. So Pakistan in India is not just the narration of all the events, that what happened in 1947, what happened in 1965, 1971, and Shimla, and different high-level visits, Kashmir, and other issues that we have with India. It's not only the narration of all these events, but you have to apply the theory. For example, constructivism. Constructivism tells us that it is not only politics or realism, and it is not only idealism or liberalism, but it is also history and society which shape the relationships of Pakistan and India. Then we have the strategic culture. The strategic culture in both the countries that has been evolved, and that's why we look at India with one point of view and Indians look at us with another point of view. Now, how this scenario, how this perspective, how this impression has been constructed. So this theory is called constructivism. Realism tells us this is the survival, this is the state, this is our sovereignty, this is our national interest, this is our foreign policy. That's why we are dealing with India the way we are doing. Idealism and liberalism tells us that we should give chance to SARC, that how SARC can become an effective, efficient organization so that it can take care of the issues that which are going on in South Asia. So that is then another perspective, because in liberalism and idealism we take into consideration international organizations like SARC or many other organizations where India and Pakistan both are members. For example, SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So there again we have both Pakistan and India. So these are different perspectives, and these perspectives are given to us by the international relations theories. So I mentioned part number 1, which were socio-economic and political problems of Pakistan, which are domestic affairs of Pakistan, which is the internal situation of Pakistan. Then we have the external situation of Pakistan. In external, again, we have two subdivisions. We have bilateral and we have multilateral. Now the last part, the third part, which is the major part, and that is, I think 40 marks are there for the global issues. Global issues are maybe related to Pakistan or may not be related to Pakistan. For example, we discuss non-proliferation of nuclear weapons or weapons of mass destruction. So this is a global issue, but this is also related to Pakistan, because Pakistan and India, both in South Asia, we are nuclear powers. So that nuclear issue, which is for the whole world, which is a global issue, is also Pakistan issue. But here are some issues, for example, global warming or climate change or environmental hazards. That is not that is a pure global issue, though Pakistan is part of the globe, so that will definitely also affect Pakistan. So we have energy crisis, then we have Palestine, we have Yemen, and we have Kashmir. Kashmir is very much related to Pakistan, but at the same time, it is a humanitarian crisis. It is an issue of human rights. That's why human rights is also a global issue. So we have Pakistan inside, Pakistan outside, and then we have global issues. We have to get complete command on all these three fronts of current affairs.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates.